this I had posted on Twitter as one of my shortlisted stocks, and the trade here was pretty simple. So it opened and it made a big tail, which was a concern for me, so I waited. I did not take the trade when it crossed this because I was afraid of a couple of tails over here and here. Then I got this signal, which is a double confirmation of a bullish signal, and then an IB, which kind of made my risk almost nothing, which enabled me to put on a big position, and I booked half here. So half at 1564, which is already 9.5 trade, and half at 1477, which was my final exit. So that was the risk reward of 1:12. So this was a fantabulous trade, again identified overnight and just followed candlesticks signals. The second trade of the day was JSW Energy. JSW Energy, you would have seen in yesterday's video also. I was very bullish on this stock. It's almost reached my target of 590. So it gave a nice gap up opening, which could not be sustained, and then it came back and tested the previous day's high and made a beautiful candle over here. Then, since I know the stock, I just waited, and yesterday also did the same kind of breakout. You can see yesterday's video, and again I was looking for a low risk opportunity, which I got here, and in 2-3 candles the trade was over, and this was a 1:8 risk reward trade. And the third trade of the day was NTPC. So it's commonly known as a buffalo stock, which does not move much in intraday. But if you see what it did, is it made a beautiful I was bullish on this stock, so when the market corrected, it did come down a bit, but it took support at yesterday's demand area and made a bullish candlestick here. But since this was too big candle, I did not take the risk here. Anyway, it did not cross the high, so that triggered. And then it made a hammer kind of candle here, which confirmed my bullish bias, and I went long here, and this was a 1:6 risk reward trade. So 3 out of 3 today. Fantastic day, and followed the process, and position sizing, everything extra was perfect. So yeah, one wishes all days are like this, but we know it's not possible. So hoping for a great day tomorrow as well. I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.